Hello guys, welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show. Yesterday was Chris' birthday, and as the custom is in the love pad, the housemates are together and make the celebrants feel special in their own way to celebrate whatever they have. Yesterday, during the deliberations among the housemates, Jay and some other housemates were deliberating on what to do to make Chris' birthday feel special. Guys, you can recall that on the first week when she wasn't paid, or when her partner checked out voluntarily from the house, she was saying that she might not be in the house to celebrate her birthday. And then Rosie told her that she should not say such a thing, that she knows and she believes that she will still remain in the house by that time. And it seems Rosie was a prophetess. It came to pass. After Love Girls had their dinner, they went to the courtyard to think and then discuss and deliberate among themselves what to do to make Chris feel special. The Love Girl gisted till about 12 a.m. when it was set to wish her happy birthday officially. After everybody sang for her, the Love Girls forcefully threw Chris into the jacuzzi. Fearful Chris was shy and wanted to come out of the jacuzzi because she didn't like it there, but Double Chris came in and stayed with her and also shielded her from those splashing water on her. Then Auntie helped them out by playing music for them and providing alcohol. They danced and married with Chris and Double Chris. Majority of the Love Girls, for example, Obi, Jay, Nkechi, Sylvia, Meritin, Iyke, Theresa, Chris, Double Chris, Louis, Jenny Coco, they went in dressed into their swimsuits and entered the jacuzzi. Jenny Coco was showing her twerk skills in her sexy swimsuit, and Louis, seeing this, came to join her and have his share. He said he cannot watch his woman showing other people what she got, and then he's just there. Iyke and Theresa were also not left out in the romance, as they were seen cuddling and dancing together. We all know that this couple, Iyke and Theresa, is one of the strong couples in the love pad, and we know the chemistry between them is so real and strong. Each Love Girl talked about what they loved about Chris and prayed for her. Rosie came, told her how special she is, how motherly she can be, how prayerful she is, and then wished her long life, prosperity, and every good thing. Jenny Coco came, said her wishes, and also told her that she thought her accent was fake, but until now she's still maintaining the accent, that she wonders how someone that was born and brought up in Abia State, somewhere in the east, and that has not gone abroad any time of her life, would have that kind of accent. And guys, remember that Nkechi too also said this in the first time, that she thought also that Chris's accent was fake, but till the 32nd day she believes that the accent is original. After the Love Girls played and danced and sang and married in the jacuzzi, it was time for them to go back to the lounge and prepare for light out. Some Love Girls went to look for food as usual. Guys, we know the team that comprised of this midnight crew: Jerry, Jay, Iyke, and others, Arnold, they all went to look for food after they had drank and married. Iyke and Theresa revisited the issue they had earlier in the day. Earlier in the day, we noticed Theresa was in her mood, she was in her feelings, she was not feeling cheerful. And Iyke, the gentleman, and her partner kept asking what was wrong with her, but she responded that she was fine and she was okay. So she now telling Iyke that she needed him all through the day, that she was not feeling fine until they had their session with Auntie, which made her feel better. And she said that he said hurtful things to her when she was cooking noodles. It was seen that when she was preparing noodles, she tried using the carrots and other things to prepare the noodles, but it seems her method did not go well with Iyke, and probably Iyke did not like the way she was making the noodles, and then he told her that everything she was doing at that time was wrong. But these words hit Theresa differently, as she said it made her feel like she didn't know how to cook, or she didn't know what she was doing, and she was embarrassed. They kept arguing and trying to mend the issue, and along the line Iyke was angry that she was not saying the things he said. She was lying about some things and twisting the words and using it against him just to make him feel sorry or somehow. But he was able to calm down and then talk to her, and they both apologized to themselves and they left for their rooms. Rosie and Kachi remained in the courtyard alone, having their quiet time, talking, cuddling, gisting about their life and the time they had before entering the love pad, about how the nature of their job, their social life, and everything. So guys, what do you think? Do you think Rosie and Kachi are really bonding up for real, stronger? And do you think Theresa's anger will be a problem in the Iyke relationship? Also, do you think Chris and Double Chris have something in common, or have a strong chemistry going on, or will even have in the future? Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. And for first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more of detailed gist from the Ultimate Love reality TV show, and also other NAIJA gist, gossips, and entertainment news happening in and around our country. Stay tuned, guys. Check out.